Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to play any Call of Duty game on your iPad Pro. So I have Black Ops 3 Zombies loaded up. You can see this is the iPad Pro, shooting, boom, everything's fully working, and it's pretty cool. So in order to do this, you will need a console, which means either an Xbox or a PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, etc. not supported. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go on the Xbox or PlayStation console itself. You're going to load up the settings app. You're going to navigate to devices and connections, remote features, and just enable remote features. If you have a PlayStation, you need to be enabling remote play, something along those lines. I don't have a PlayStation, but you should be able to find the option inside the settings. Then on the iPad Pro itself, you're going to load up the App Store. You're either going to download the Xbox app or the PlayStation app, one or the other. Of course, I have an Xbox, so I'm going to download the Xbox app. Then you want to open up the Xbox or PlayStation app. It will ask you to sign into your Microsoft account or your PlayStation account. Just make sure you get that done. And you just want to navigate to where the remote play is. So on the Xbox app, you just tap on this icon right here. You see your Xbox and you tap on remote play and continue. On the PlayStation app, you're going to navigate somewhere, but it should be there. And then boom, you are remote playing. So when you remote play, you can literally play any game at any time, okay? Depending on your internet, you may have a bit of lag or you may have a silky smooth connection. So I have Warzone here. I want to load up some Warzone. Can load up the Warzone. Want to load up some World at War on the Xbox. Let's load it up. You know, I'm going to choose Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Boom. Everything's fully working. Okay, so all it does is it just mirrors the screen. You can see screen on the big TV, screen on the iPad Pro. It is the exact same. You also saw there it recommended you connect your Xbox controller to the iPad Pro directly. It is possible to do that. I have my tutorial in the description. You can also play this anywhere in the world. Just keep in mind your Wi-Fi network where you're playing, and at home needs to be good. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.